In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Apollo.io extension for LinkedIn. This simple process will enhance your LinkedIn experience, helping you to streamline business communications and even scale your outreach more effectively. First, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can easily do this by opening up your web browser, preferably Chrome for the best compatibility, and typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see it as one of the top search results. Click on this link to navigate directly to the web store. Once you've arrived at the web store, you'll want to locate the search bar, typically situated at the top left corner of the page. Here, you will type in Apollo.io and begin the search. This will bring up a list of extensions related to your search query. What you're looking for is the official Apollo.io extension. Ensure it is the correct one to avoid any unwanted software. After you've spotted the Apollo.io extension in the list, look for the Add to Chrome button next to it. Clicking this will prompt a pop-up window asking for your confirmation to add the extension. Make sure to review the permissions it requires, which might include access to certain browser data or functionality. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Add Extension. Be assured that these permissions are standard for extensions that integrate with platforms like LinkedIn. Now, your browser will take a moment to download the Apollo.io extension. This should happen quickly unless you're on a slower internet connection, in which case it might take a bit longer. During this time, it's helpful to take a quick look at your LinkedIn profile to ensure everything is up to date. This will maximize the effectiveness of using Apollo.io for greater outreach and connection building within LinkedIn. Once the download is complete, you should receive a notification that the extension has been successfully added to Chrome. You can confirm this by looking at your browser's toolbar, where you should now see the Apollo.io icon. Click on this icon, and it will guide you through some initial setup steps. This might include linking your LinkedIn account or setting preferences to tailor the extension to your specific needs. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Apollo.io extension for LinkedIn. With this, you can better manage your communication and expand your professional network more effortlessly. Remember, if at any point you encounter difficulties or the extension doesn't work as expected, revisiting the web store or the Apollo.io support page might offer solutions. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and enjoy the enhanced capabilities this extension brings to your LinkedIn experience.